This is a cool set of toy blasters. Look how detailed they are. We've got a 1911. We've got a Glock. How cool is that? We've got the Dirty Harry Magnum, right? We've got the Desert Eagle, the Deagle, and then we got some kind of German gun. So lots of cool ones here, and these all start to transform. They all break open and then apart, and then their legs and arms come out, and they open up into the coolest looking little robots, and then those robots are gonna combine into an even larger robot. So as we flip out the arms and the different parts of this guy, we can see there's his head popping out from the back, and then these turn into his legs. So this guy is really cool. Just like a lot of them, you get a robot out of a pistol. Hope that helps.